Hello, this is Mr. Hanna and welcome to What the Format. Today we're going to talk about the addition and subtraction rules with positive and negative numbers. There are four combinations. You have positive, positive, negative, negative, positive, negative, and negative, positive. Now, you can use a number line to help you visualize this. A negative number just moves to the left on the number line. A positive number moves to the right. However, it's more helpful to memorize these rules because sometimes the numbers are so far apart on the number line that it's very difficult to use a number line. The numbers just are too big. So if you want to use it with small numbers, feel free to do that until you get the rule down, but this is something that you need to memorize, as with many things in math. So two positive numbers add to a positive number. Two negative numbers add to a negative number. Notice that the two negatives add to a negative number. They do not change to a positive. This is very important because when we get to the multiplication and division rules, you'll notice that there's the difference there. And a lot of students get these rules confused, and that causes lots of problems because there's a lot of problems, lots and lots of problems that use signs for numbers, all three formats: integers, fractions, and decimals. This rule is the same for all of them. Now, if I have a positive and a negative and a positive, what do? Well, you subtract. The thing is you have to subtract the smaller number from the bigger number. Then you keep the sign of the bigger number. So, for example, I have negative 7 minus 4, both negative numbers. So I'm going to add those. 7 plus 4 is 11, and it's going to be minus 11. Then I have 7 plus 4, both positive, so I add them to positive 11. Now look, this is where it gets interesting. See, I got negative 7 plus 4. Well, the 7's the bigger number. It has a lesser value on the number line, but it is the bigger number. So we're going to do 7 minus 4, which is 3. And then we're going to keep the sign of the bigger number, which is a minus. So the answer is minus 3. Minus 4 plus 7. Well, again, the 7's the bigger number. So 7 minus 4 is 3. But because 7 is positive, we say positive 3. Now, this is something you're going to want to memorize again. If you have to watch the video over and over to get this, that's quite all right. Please do so. That's why it's a short video. But the rules are the rules. This works with fractions, decimals, and integers. And it's all over math. And if you don't understand the signs and how to deal with them, you run into a lot of problems where you get the answer wrong. I see a lot of students do negative 7 minus 3 and they put minus 4. They forget to add them. They just subtract. You have to be very, very careful of that. Any number with a minus in front of it is considered negative. If it doesn't have a sign in front of it, it's positive. Anyway, hopefully that helped, and thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you next time.